Hello children, now we are going to discuss about the earth grid system. So about before this you have to know about the latitudes, longitudes. అంటే గ్రిడ్ సిస్టమ్ తెలుసుకునే ముందు మీరు ఏం తెలుసుకోవాలి, latitudes and the longitudes. So now we are going to learn about the latitudes and the longitudes. For example, it is a globe. So in the center of the globe there will be equator, and equator always it will be as a 0 degrees. Equator always will be as a 0 degrees. Globe ki end points untayamma, two end points, north pole and south pole. So north pole will be indicated as N and south pole will be indicated as S. Yes children. Now so we don't have particular axis. అంటే ఏంటి అంటే నార్మల్గా మనకి ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ దొరకవు కదా గ్లోబ్లో. సో విల్ లొకేట్ బై అన్ యాక్సిస్. సో దట్ యాక్సిస్ హ్యాస్ టూ ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్, నార్త్ పోల్ అండ్ ది సౌత్ పోల్. అండ్ నార్త్ పోల్ అండ్ సౌత్ పోల్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి యాజ్ ఏ 90 degrees. Always it consists of 90 degrees. So in the globe the middle of the line is known as equator. So the equator divides earth into two halves. ఈక్వేటర్ ఏం డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది, ఎర్త్ని రెండు హాఫ్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఎస్ చిల్డ్రన్. అండ్ ది ఇమాజినరీ లైన్స్ మీన్స్ ద హారిజాంటల్ లైన్స్ passing from the north pole to south pole, passing from east to west. So the imaginary lines passing from east to west is known as equator. Latitudes. So the imaginary lines passing from east to west అంటే ఇవన్నీ హారిజాంటల్ లైన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద లాటిట్యూడ్స్ విల్ బి ఆఫ్ ఈక్వల్ డిగ్రీస్. సో ఈక్వల్ డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట అన్ని లాటిట్యూడ్స్. సో ద లైన్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ పాసింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వెస్ట్ టు ఈస్ట్ ఆర్ నోన్ యాజ్ latitudes. The imaginary lines passes from west to east are known as latitudes. Clear children? And now about the longitudes. Yes. And this line, the center line is known as prime meridian. Then called as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian because it passes from the Greenwich అనే కంట్రీ నుండి పాస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనం ఏమంటాము గ్రీన్విచ్ మెరిడియన్. సో దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ప్రైమ్ మెరిడియన్ or the Greenwich meridian. And the longitudes, the vertical lines passes from the north pole to south pole. The vertical lines passes from north pole to south pole is known as longitudes. So the longitudes start from the both end points, అంటే end points నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. And latitudes will be in a circular path. So latitudes ఎట్లుంటాయి, ఇట్లా circular path లాగా ఉంటాయి. And longitudes will be started from the two end points. Clear children? The vertical lines passes from north to south are known as longitudes. Okay. Next is about, see the network between, network అంటే ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ longitudes కి latitudes కి మధ్యలో నెట్వర్క్ ఉంది కదా. The network between longitudes and latitudes is known as grid. So now we are going to learn about the grid system. So the network between the longitudes and latitudes is known as grid. Clear children? And one more thing. So and this part is known as hemisphere. Hemisphere ante enti, hemi ante enti half anamata. Yes, hemi means half. So one part is divided, means this is known as, the upper part is known as northern hemisphere. And the below means the southern part is known as southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, this is known as northern hemisphere and this is known as southern hemisphere. And this part is known as eastern hemisphere. ఈ part ఏమంటారమ్మా, eastern hemisphere. And this part is known as western hemisphere. This part is known as western hemisphere. Clear children? northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Hemisphere, hemi ante enti? Hemi means half. So it dividing into half, children. Clear na? Next we are going to learn about the how the latitudes and longitudes will be forming. Yes, and now look here. Okay, and we all know that this is North Pole and this is known as South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. So the North Pole and South Pole always it will be 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So the line divides the earth into half na. That line is known as equator, that is 0 degrees. Equator 0 degrees. And here the tropical zones, temperate zones and pole zones will be there on the earth. So this is known as, these are the important lines on the globe. So these are the important lines on the globe. The center line is equator and always it will be 0 degrees. And this line is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And this is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. And here it will be Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. And down it is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle anamata. Okay, so in the equator, in the equatorial region, the weather will be very, the climate will be very hot. And heat untadi anamata, chala climate anta heat untundi. So when we are going away from the equator ante enti, if we are going to the north pole, north direction and to the south direction, the climatic conditions will be changed. Yes, ikkada mottam heat unde climatic conditions, ikkadiki ellesariki chala cool ga untayi anamata. So the temperature will be changes while going into latitudes, altitudes. Clear, children? If in the equatorial region it will be very heat, but when we are going towards the altitude region, means higher region, the temperature slowly is getting cool. Okay, for example, if temperature here 40 degrees and here it will be in a minus 10 degrees. So while going upwards we will find in a minus degrees. And you can see in the world map, yes, the portion of the south you can find the Antarctic region. Antarctica ane continent chustaru kada, it will be very cool. And in the portion of the south you can see the Greenland, Switzerland, these type of places. Yes, and it will be very cool. The snow region places. Clear, children? So these are 7 important lines on the globe, and we will mark as a degrees here. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north. So the Tropic of Capricorn called 23.5 degrees south. Here 66, the Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north. The Antarctic Circle is known as 66.5 degrees south. Clear, children? And this region, so the upper region, this region is known as Northern Hemisphere. Means from the north to the equator. So this region is known as Northern Hemisphere and this region is known as Southern Hemisphere. And this region is known as Southern Hemisphere. The Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. And these are 7 important lines. These are 5 important lines on the longitude, and including North Pole and South Pole it will become 7. Clear, children? There are important lines on the longitude. Okay, and we can locate N for the north and S for the south. Have you understood about the latitudes and longitudes? And in the longitudes, the total longitudes are 360 longitudes. Yes, in the middle one line will be there na? That line is also known as international date line and ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డేట్ లైన్ అని కూడా అంటారు. బికాస్ సో దట్ లైన్ ఓన్లీ differs our places. So for example, timings of our places. So here they gave you so in 24 hours. So one day 24 hours. అంటే ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ ఉంటాయి? 1440 minutes. 1440 minutes in day. So it takes 36 degrees to complete one covered. Means మొత్తం ఒక డిగ్రీ మొత్తం అంటే 1 day కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి it takes 36 degrees. So 1 degree ఎంత అన్నమాట? 1 degree is 4 minutes. We'll consider 1 degree as a 4 minutes. 36 degrees కవర్ చేయడానికి మనకి 1 day పడుతుంది, అంటే 24 hours పడుతుంది. 1 degree కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి we'll get 4 minutes. Clear children? Have you understood today's class? Okay children, thank you.